Alright folks, here comes Amtrak 723 Capital Corridor train. Final destination of that train is San Jose Dearborn Station. Here it comes. 2002 F59 PHI leading this one off on the 723. This train will speed through 105th Avenue with 8314 Mount Pino. 2002 8314 Mount Pinos. Alright, there go that train on its way to San Jose. Full speed ahead. Alright, folks. Have a good Saturday morning. I'm Marcel Hall. Bye-bye. Alright, here comes, folks. 724 on its way to Sacramento. Cat car is 8307. Mount Baldy Ball on this one. This train is flying high speed. That train is flying to Sacramento. Alright folks, we will pause here for a second for the 727 coming up next. Bye-bye. Alright folks, here comes 727. Final destination of the train is San Jose Dearborn Station. Here comes 2007 leading on the point. Amtrak 727. Mount Hamilton. There go that train, folks, on its way to San Jose. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye-bye.